We're in the reception area. We've had a bit of an update. We've painted it. Jamie's been in. He's painted all the walls out for us. He's also used a bit of masonry paint, I think. So we've got anthracite grey on the door and on the window frame. It's quite a nice touch. The door goes into the stairs, if you have a look. So we've had to cut that little piece out. Next, we got on Thursday, this flooring is being fitted. So that'll be the job on Thursday. Another Jamie's coming to do that. We've ended up going with this one, number one. So we'll see how that works out. And then finally, we've got some things happening next, which will be the ceiling. We're going to go with like a 1970s ceiling, which isn't what I want, but it's just for a practicality point of view. So it's going to be a suspended ceiling. But I don't like the look of them, but it's just purely just so we can access wiring and do updates in the future. We're just trying to future-proof it. And then moving forward, we need to get a windowsill on, get the obviously get a bit of architrave fitted, put this new reception desk in, and get some chairs. Might just get the chairs from go up the range and get some new chairs from up there, I think. And that's it. We're good to go. Oh yeah, cool.
It's just the same.
Yeah, I like that actually. Yeah, that looks nice. That does. And it's got the colour codes the same and everything. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, so we've just approved the design for Johnson's Apparel Master for our new overall. So the design on the front and the back. So hopefully they'll be coming in the next couple of weeks. So we'll show you guys as soon as they come. We'll do a little trial and show you what they look like. Just come to Broad Street DIY. Just pick up a couple of bits. Get the plasterboard so we can get that top office all nice and finished. Start getting some use out of it then. It's got 8 12mm and we need to get two of the 9mm ones as well. That's it, we're all loaded up. So we got 8 of the 12mm, 2 of the 9mm plasterboard. We've got the compound to get it on the wall and a bit of freebie too. Well, we're just ordering all the parts for the ceiling. So we're really lucky. The ceiling guy's just come to see us yesterday and he said if we get the ceiling, as soon as we've got the ceiling parts in, he'll just come and drop on it. He's on another job local, so he'll just come and drop straight into our job and do it for us. So we've got all the cross sections and the main grids. This is basically the framework, what's going to hold the tiles up. But for the complete, he's actually worked out how much we need. So you can see like there's 14, 25 of that item. But a whole lot, 100 quid, including that. So it's not too bad. But if you come with us, I'll show you the flooring. So he hasn't finished the flooring. Until this ceiling's done, the flooring guy came, I think it was a couple of days ago, and he's not going to do the flooring. He wasn't happy to lay it because he said if we get like a chop bit or a bit dropped down, it's gonna indent on the floor. So we've just had it resined at the moment, so it's all ready to fit. Get the ceiling man in the next couple of days, and then get the flooring down, and jobs are good. Got all the stuff for doing the ceiling now. So just for supporting all the square tiles. Just got to try and work out how to get all these long bits in the van now. It's just loading all the bits down, ready for all this is ready for the suspended ceiling. So tomorrow night we'll get all that up. These are all the cross tees for the suspended ceiling. Well, I've got a quick office update to show you guys. So this is the upstairs offices. So you can see the state of it at the moment. We've removed all this loose plaster off the wall. You can see all the old phone line stuff down here. So all that's coming out. So we can get rid of that now. The old line even come out now. So that line's going to be removed soon. And then this back office, if you come through here, much the same. Any loose plaster, that's been removed off the wall. The ceiling, any loose bits are all removed. So we just got to be really careful because we've got asbestos there. We've had a lot of advice on that, professional advice on that. The plan tonight is get all this lot removed, all this lot's going in the skip. Just up at Morrisons, we just picked these two tellies up, 150 quid each on offer. So we're going to bang these in the waiting area. That one's going to be for 𝗙𝗢𝗟𝗟𝗢𝗪 waiting, and then that one's going to be for our own advertising, or maybe bang some telly on there, not sure yet. Yeah, so yesterday we went to Morrisons and picked these two tellies up. So they was an offer. I only went in for a sandwich and I saw a pile of them. 150 quid each, so that's ideal for what we need. So we just need a basic telly. We're banging one on this wall. This is our MOT viewing area, so we will have to have a couple of chairs opposite the telly, and we'll probably even have to have a sign up saying MOT viewing area to meet the requirements. The second TV is going to go on here on this wall. And then we're thinking to run a little bit of worktop along here and have a coffee machine. Obviously, this pipe needs boxing in, and he's coming to do the ceiling pretty soon. So, not sure layout-wise. We're thinking to put a counter here. We've bought one from a nail bar, so we're going to have a counter there with a chair behind for the receptionist or service advisor. And then we're going to have two chairs here, two chairs there. But if you've got any ideas of the layout, give us a shout. We're not 100% on it. Get a bit of an update video. Look at that. Just gives us something to fix the board to, don't it?
Rather close to Monday, isn't it?
Comes round quick, doesn't it?
Before we know it, we're knocking back here again.
Yeah, just up at Wickes to come and grab some of this insulation for above the office. So there's the loft stuff, your standard stuff, but what we're picking up for not a lot more money is this acoustic stuff. So hopefully it'll keep a bit of sound, keep a bit of the sound from coming above up to the upstairs offices.
So today we've got Salamander here, a local alarm company that are just fitting our outside box. It's all going to look a little bit smarter, and it will just say exactly who is our alarm provider. And they're also going to be doing some work in our office. I'll take you through. We're going to be getting our PIR sensors placed in. And we're also going to have the alarm pad moved as well. This door eventually will be redundant, so we can't use the alarm box where it is currently.
Got a quick office update. Charlie is in today and he's just putting all the insulation up in the ceiling for us. You having a shower later?
I think I should, yeah.
I think so, if you're going out. Quick office update, follow me through. So, ceiling is all now fully insulated, and we've got a special noise insulation as well, so it stops all the noise transmitting between the rooms. Tomorrow we've got Stu coming. He's going to fit this suspended ceiling. You can see bits of it ready to go there. And if you remember, there's a massive hole in the ceiling upstairs, so follow me up here. And I can show you, not this hole, that's another hole. This is the room, so there's a big hole in the ceiling. So we've boarded this yesterday, built this new frame, put the plasterboard up. There's still a couple of bits to finish, but you can see where we're going with it now. So we've got a busy end to the week, so it's Friday evening. We've got Salamander, our security guys in there, finishing off our alarm install. Fair play to them on a Friday evening. We've got the new alarm box fully fitted. If you come through into the office as well, you'll see our new keypad, which looks really fancy as well. So that's all up and running. We've got lots of new sensors gone in as well. So here's the one down there. We can't show you all of them for security. But yeah, so it's Saturday. We've come in the weekend. We're in Saturday and Sunday. Sophie's in today, and she's going to have a go at cleaning the toilet up for us. We've obviously made a start and painted it, but it needs a proper deep clean, so we'll show you the before and after. Yeah, this is a second toilet as well. So this one's worse, but I'm not sure she's going to have a chance to have a go in here, but We'll see. Check out what we've had in on Friday. This was in for an MAT, and it was in also for running fault, but it turned out it's just the air mass sensor. So have a look under the bonnet. It's done a lot of work to this thing. So it's nice having a few different cars in just to break the day up, you know. But have a look what he's put under the bonnet. So the toilet doesn't look like it's seen out of train spotting anymore. Sophie's giving it a deep clean this morning. All the tiles, all the sinks have had a deep clean. The toilet, it's all the original stuff. It's just had a bit of elbow grease. So next step in here is replace. Up there you can see a screw hanging out the wall. That's going to be the centre hole for the fan that's going in. So that will help with the ventilation in here. Just got the ceiling beam fitted, so come and check it out. I wondered how you hang it.
Yeah, so it's just on a tension wire there.
Yeah, it's cold, isn't it?
So the roll of wire out there, all you do is cut the length off,
Yeah.
put it in the drill, connected it to your gate, spin it so it's tensioned, and then it stops any bounce then. And you've got some grit left.
Yeah. Better to overorder than run out though, innit?
And I don't know if you'll use.
So Stu's just left. He's fully fitted all the suspended ceiling. You can see there's a few tiles missing down the middle, but he'll be back on Tuesday to get them fitted. These are the tiles we went for in the end. So they're fire rated, they're acoustic tiles. We can always swap them out if we change our mind at a later date. The only thing we have had to do is batten either side of this. It's been battened, as you can see. This was because otherwise there would have had to been 4 runs of tiles. It would have been a lot more expense on the tiles, a lot of cutting involved. So we battened it. He's recessed it slightly. So I think it looks really good. Going forward, the electrician's coming in. He's going to put the spotlights in. I might have a word with him and see if he can run like an LED strip around the outside as well. So, but fair play to Stu. He's been in on a Sunday and got all this done for us. Jamie's in this morning getting the flooring fitted. Look at that. Make it look easy. Watch your fingers. To get...
It's looking well.
Coming along nicely, innit? Yeah. Is that all you do?
Yeah.
And just wipe off the excess?
Yeah, simple as
that. Could have done it myself.
Yeah.
No, don't do that.